All right, thank you for coming out today. A nice, beautiful, windy winter's day. Today, I want to check this out. Liquid lock. It's for when you remove your toilet. You don't have to drain the water and spill all over your nice, renovated or dirty floors. I've got a bucket here that's divided. No water, because it leaks. Go figure, right? And water. A stick to stir it up with, and a pitcher to simulate flushing. Now, I don't have a toilet to remove at this time, but I'm going to check this stuff out. It's 0.6 ounces, and the directions on the back say turn off water supply line to toilet, flush toilet, and hold down handle. Empty entire contents of liquid lock into remaining water. For 3.5 gallons per flush or larger toilets, empty 2 packets of liquid lock simultaneously into the bowl. Let liquid lock absorb for a minimum of 4 minutes, allowing water to solidify. Keep in toilet level. Carefully remove as needed. To reinstall, reconnect and turn on water supply line to the toilet. Allow toilet tank to fill with water. Flush toilet. Water may fill toilet bowl, and let liquid lock sit for a few minutes until the gel liquefies and flushes. So we're going to simulate all that here. It's going to be kind of fun experiment, so let me get everything ready. Now that I got the top torn off, let's check this out. The directions do say wear protective gear, so we're going to check this out. And just to help it out, I'm going to stir it up a bit. Ooh, bubbles. So, let me let that sit for about 4 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, guys? So it's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to check this out. It has gelled up, and we're going to have a little fun. One thing I did notice, that it kind of acts like a, what is that? Pectin. You can see it kind of separate. Where is it? There you are. Kind of hard to see right now. So it's kind of solidified gel style. And they've got some room between the bucket and the corner. Now, you could, if you wanted to, for any poops and grins, just chuck this in the yard, but don't. It is hazardous to animals. But yeah, it almost looks like you want to play with it, but don't. I'm kind of resisting sticking my hand in it right now, but I will take some water and simulate a flush after taking a big old huge dookie. There we go. So that's about a gallon of water on top of it. And it says let it sit for a little while. And it should go down on its own. We're going to see if this right here doesn't gel or cause it to gel even more. Because if it gels in here, it's going to gel in your pipes and everything. So, wow, I'm amused by a simple bubble. Wow, this is funny. This is funny. All right. I'm going to give this around another 4 minutes and see if we can slosh it around so it can go down the pipes. I had to add a little bit more water to it because it started gelling about the gallon I put in. So, back with our stir stick, and you can see it's a lot easier to move through the material. Well, here's what's really kind of funny too. Remember how solidified it was before? Yeah. It's a lot more wavy. So, what this will do is it'll break it up apparently, so it can go down the tubes. Now, I'm on a septic system, so I want to make sure this goes to where it needs to go and doesn't clog my tubes up. It looks like it's doing a good job, and as water runs over, it'll thin it out. But what's kind of funny is it says, wear protective equipment, don't breathe the fumes in, and also on top of it, don't let any animals around it at the time. Now, what's funny is also says biodegradable. Okay, that's good, but is it going to hurt anything I've got? So I got to take a look at that. But let me go ahead and dispose of this stuff properly and see if it actually clogs my drains up. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Got some more coming out for you later on. And if this does work for you, hey, let me know in the comments below, just to show that it is a good product. I'm just doing this to check it out before I use it. Anyways, have a good one.